Look at the night sky. Have you noticed that stars keep twinkling? Stars send light millions of kilometers through space. What happens, students? Let's check. When the light enters Earth's atmosphere, you know that light bends in Earth atmosphere because of changing air density. This constant bend makes brightness keep changing. That's why stars appear to be. What a beautiful evening. Why does the sun appears red at sunset? Have you noticed the sun looks red during sunset? At sunset, sunlight travels a longer distance through Earth's atmosphere. The colors shorter wavelength like blue-green scatters away, but while the red light travels straight, red lights remain same. That's why the sun appears red during sunrise and sunset. This is due to scattering of light. Students, have you ever noticed that we can see the sun before sunrise? Let's check. When sunlight enters Earth's atmosphere, it bends because different air layers have different densities. That is called atmospheric refraction. So the sun appears slightly higher than its real position. That's why we can see advanced sunrise delay. Beautiful sky. It appears blue in color. Why is the sky blue in color? Let's check. When the sunlight enters Earth's atmosphere, blue light scatters more than other colors. Sunlight is actually white and contains all colors. Blue light scatters more. Scattered blue light reaches our eyes, so the sky appears blue in color. This phenomenon is called scattering of light. Hey, have a look at the night sky. It was a beautiful and amazing. Stars are twinkle, but planets do not twinkle. The reason behind is the stars are far away from the earth, so they appear teeny point source of light. But planets are much closer, so they appear like small disks instead of points. When the light passes through the Earth's atmosphere, what happens? Let's check. Star light changes more, but planets light average out. Ray diagram is the compulsory question for 10th class students. Let us check the first rule. A parallel ray passes through the principal axis, always passes through the focus. The second rule is a ray through focus becomes parallel to the principal axis. Where rays meets, images form. Two rays intersect, image will be formed. This ray diagrams come. Students, we can see things every second, but how does it actually happens? Let's check. Light enters to our eyes through cornea and lens, and also image will be inverted. It forms on the retina. Students, we can say our brain flips it and we can see the real world. Just imagine moon disappeared tonight. The moon vanished tonight. That means fades into darkness. Within hours, ocean go wild. Tides explode. Entire coastal line floods. Earth begins to ooble in space. The moon stabilizes us. Without it, seasons collapse. Night becomes pitch dark forever. The moon is not just decoration, it protects us. If it happened when the earth suddenly freezes rotation, ocean turned into giant walls. Everything is not nailed to the ground. Cities slide eastward at 1600 kilometers per hour. Half earth day, half night, half burns in endless day, half freezes in until night. Gravity distorts for a moment. Floating objects we can observe very carefully. That's why Earth must keep spinning for life to survive. Share and subscribe to our Physics Thinker channel for amazing facts.